Okay, everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. Now, I'm actually on my second take on this. I forgot to turn the recorder on. So she moved all this dirt and put it back here. I forgot to turn the recording on before I started the last time.
Oh no!
So now I gotta do it all over again.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have to explain it again.
No, that's okay.
So she moved all this dirt right out here. And the reason she's doing that is because she dug these big holes. Still working on it, obviously.
Yeah, trying to get all the clay.
And she hasn't lit herself up with the electrical wires, so y'all don't holler too much. She's being careful.
I am.
But the plants are pretty big. That's why she's got to have the holes pretty deep. And she's doing a good job. The bricks were a little loose there. She didn't damage anything, Mr. Landlord. They were already that way.
It was.
It's been here a long time, but she's doing a good job. And we'll get some after
Thank you.
video.
Yeah.
We're not going to stand out here and act like we know what we're doing. She's got it under control.
Thank you.
So let's show you the plant that she's going to put in there. Beautiful plants. And probably cost her a little bit of money too. But there they are. Really, really nice plants. And I know those aren't cheap. But she's really into her gardening. She's done a lot around the pool area out here, which I'll show you now. And, you know, she does a good job, and we all enjoy it. She makes it beautiful and works hard at it. She's always taking care of the stuff. This is some of her work. I don't know if other people had helped a little bit or not. I usually at work, but I believe she had done most of this work herself. And there's some more over here. Beautiful, beautiful. And of course, this is our pool area. Looks like we need to get a vacuum out here and get that cleaned up. I was kind of planning on going swimming later. Maybe they'll get it cleaned up later, I don't know. But yeah, she's done a beautiful job. And we'll get some video after. And show you guys all that. And get some after video. So, gotta get myself back out the gate here. Out there working hard. She's gonna be ready for a swim when she gets done. So I took them out to the back and I showed them all your fancy handicraft.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm sure they'll love it.
There was nothing.
That's usually a big hit out in YouTube land.
Yeah, there was nothing back there before, you know. So had to make it pretty.
Bragging on you.
Yeah. Trying to make it pretty around here. You know. So big.
Yeah. We'll leave you alone and we'll come back later and get some after video.
All right. Peace
Thanks for letting
out.
us in on your project.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for being interested.
So let's go out and get an update on the progress. Your view from the balcony up here. Oh, she's got her hat on now.
Yeah. Hot out.
Looks like she's getting there. Let's go down and have a look. Oh, wow.
Better, huh?
Look at that,
Look good?
folks. She's even got mulch for it.
Yeah. I think it looks pretty good. I should have put some stuff along the back here, but
Yeah.
that's okay. Maybe later. I'm too tired today.
It looks awesome.
Thank you. I hope it'll...
How long you been working on it now? A couple hours?
What time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
Oh, I don't even know.
Probably like 3 hours.
Yeah.
At least. If not longer. Because I've had to run to Lowe's like 3 times
Yeah.
to get more stuff.
Lots of hard work. That looks really great.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Make it pretty.
If we're out on the road, this is what we're looking at, folks. Yeah, it looks really great. Well, everybody's gonna love that.
I hope so. I really do.
You did that with all your money and everything, huh?
What?
Did that with all your money and everything, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. Make it prettier, you know?
Yeah.
There was
And
nothing.
what's this one in the back? Is that bamboo?
It's a, what is it called again? What is that? Not that. This one. It's a mass cane. See, I needed
Okay.
stuff that likes
This
a
is
lot of
some
sun.
type of bamboo then.
Yeah, it likes sun, so we get a lot of sun, so you
Yeah.
need stuff that'll live in the sun. And it says that
I really like those red ones.
me too, they only had 3, so I was like, darn. But if they would have had more, I would have put 2 back there and then, but that's okay. It'll be alright. I'm
Yeah.
hoping they kind of grow out a little, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Like the ones in the back, the Persian shields, those are tiny when I first
Look at this, she's a bricklayer too. She got the bricks back in there.
Yeah. I tried my best. Hopefully Mr. John won't be upset. It's all
That's fantastic and it looks awesome.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for letting us share with your little project.
Definitely.
You'll be on YouTube now.
Yeah.
You'll be world famous.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Get all your friends to subscribe to the channel
Yes.
and then they can see you.
Yay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, folks, so that's our little project for today, or actually her little project for today. I didn't have anything to do with it. And,
Hey, you can take some credit.
you know, just letting you know what's going on around my place here. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's free, it doesn't cost a penny. So subscribe for more videos. We're out of here, folks. Until the next video.